Welcome to Venturi Fab, where questionable decisions are a way of life. I'm Rob, and this is my mold collection. There's something I've wanted to build for a really long time, and mini truck service beds don't really come up for sale very often, let alone entire mini trucks with a service bed. So when one popped up close to my house for a great price, I had to jump on it. So come with me, I'm going to show you my hot garbage here. So as you can see, it's got the premium mold paint job. This is a rare factory option, only available in 19 whatever year this truck is, like 92 or something like that. We've got one mirror, and we've only got a partial mirror on this side. This is actually something from racing. So we live in the country, so we do like a lot of circle track dirt racing around here, and what that does is it creates a slipstream down the right side because we're always turning left. So you've got your window or your mirror on the left side, and that creates a high drag zone, and then you've got this slick slide out here, and what that does is it allows you to lets you slingshot around the corner for more corner speed. This is actually very high-end Racecar Tech that we've got here. So we've got no door, but we do have a door with a bunch of garbage. But the door's cool, it's straight. It's just missing the hinges, so we're gonna have to make hinges. Let's see if we find any raccoons in here. What we got? Some straight line, a clicky torque wrench case, some clappers for something. But all these work. What we got in this guy? The intake and some hoses. A lightly used step bit. That's pretty cool. Oh, check it, dude. Here's like the elbow shim arm pad that the animal control guy used to fight the raccoons that had the jiu-jitsu mats inside the car. That explains it. We've solved it. We've solved the mystery of the mold truck. My wife calls it the animal control truck because she says I'm going to look like the guy that drives around scraping flat meat off the road with it. But, it does look like a family of raccoons died in it. So there is that. And it kind of smells like that too. I just want to take a second here and calm some of your worries. Even though we're talking about other projects coming on in the future and stuff, Merle is never going anywhere. He will always be getting wheeled, getting worked on, getting upgraded. We got that tranny and stuff for next year in the garage. So rest assured, Merle's around for the long haul. He ain't ever going anywhere. I'm keeping this truck forever, and it's me, man. I'm going to work on him forever because that's what I do. So, as I had said, my daughter helped me pick this up, and we're going to cut to the recovery right now and catch you on the flip side. There he is, Aubrey. There's Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones.
You had to walk around it and check that thing out.
There's so much ivy.
I know. Well, those are blackberry bushes.
Oh, those are blackberry bushes? That's still spiky.
Alright, switch sides with me. You're going to fill it, and I'm going to try to fandangle it. Yeah, all you do is you push this on here. Push that on one hand, hit that button with the other. So, you gotta push on it so that it's on there. Great job. I knew it would hold air. It is what it is.
You're gonna just jam a stick into it and make it stop.
No, it'll just rip it.
Let's push it.
Huh?
Let's push it then.
How long is it going to take?
That's kind of me right now. Do we need to push it?
No, you're not gonna push it up yourself. I just need to get the right combination of straps and twist it around this so that I can yoink it up a little bit higher.
Yoink it?
Yeah, it's a technical term. All right, time to move it back and load it up a little more. So we ran out and grabbed this thing yesterday. So I haven't really gone through it too much because I wasn't really that worried about it. All the stuff that I need's in great shape on here. Yeah, I got the same 24 hours in the day. So sometimes my weekends don't get as much done here as I would like, but I get other stuff done, huh? Like picking up garbage. So this is where it gets really good, right? Hold your breath. It's like a family of raccoons had like a demolition derby in here. There we go. There's our sound. Oh my God, that thing's nasty inside. All right, so we've got the custom leaf intake system. Awesome. Don't worry, we're not using any of that. This thing's destiny does not involve a little 4.3 liter. Not even close. And one of my favorite parts currently is I was able to drag it on the trailer, but they took apart the axle and something's all bound up in there, so it don't want to spin tires at all. They got the caps off of the bearings, the pinion yoke and all that stuff is off of the pinion, so it's like shoved down in there and bound up. Like, let's see, that's all, you can see it right in there. This thing's all bound up so it don't want to spin. I just want to know why. Like, why would you do this and then go drag it out into a field and leave it there? Like, that makes no sense to me. So I'm going to have to sit here and mess with that to get this thing where it'll roll. Oh, goodness gracious. So, there we go. I like this, though. Got a mount for a vise already. I haven't figured out how these lock down yet. Oh. Feel something. Oh, oh. Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm climbing up here. Ow. All right. No dead bodies or raccoons. But that's sweet, dude. Got a whole little giddy up there. I'll have to make a better latch for that. Sweet. Mission accomplished. All right, well, enough messing around. It's been foggy for like 3 weeks, dude. So everything's frozen and cold and wet. Well, I just wanted to introduce you guys to the mobile mold lab I drug out of a blackberry bush this weekend. So I still got a lot of parts to collect to accomplish my vision for this truck. So next week, back on the roll cage. And just had to strike while the iron was hot on this magnificent train wreck here. So we're going to call him Mr. Jones. And remember, if you don't get started dragging crap home you find on Marketplace, you'll never get finished.